This video is proudly presented by my executive producer Didrik. Thank you very much for supporting this video. Without you, this would not have been possible. And if you want to become just like him, an executive producer, check out the first link in the description down below. It will lead you to my Patreon page. Let's kick it off with the video. Yes, everyone, it's Let's Boredom and welcome to my latest video. And today I'm going to do something again with my precious car, but this time it's not the Audi A3 but rather the Kia Soul. As you probably know, I got this Kia Soul for around 7 months already, a bit more probably, but I haven't done much with this car so far, and I actually ordered for the very first time for my car some things again from Aliexpress. And what could it be other than some cool stickers, baby? And I got this tool, like with one of those stickers with this long one, and I also got a cloth here because I just washed my car before, but instead of giving it a good buff because it has a bit of paintwork issues, I'm not going to deep into that. This is a Kia after all. I want just to put them on because the thing is, like, this car is missing a bit of my personal touch, just like the Audi A3 did, and I want to give it with this a chance. And now the thing is, are AliExpress stickers any good? Instead that I'm philosophing here for a couple of hours, I just take the camera and show you how I'm going to do the stickers on my car. Follow me around. The stickers I got from AliExpress are in different sizes and I wanted to put them on different areas around the car. The thing what they've got in common though is the word soul. I include all the stickers in the description below so that you can check them out by yourself. Before I start with applying the stickers, I take the cloth and wipe away any leftover dust, so that the stickers are not getting any bubbles after being applied. If you already came to this point right here, make sure to leave me a thumb up, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon in order not to miss any of my future videos. Now, because the big sticker for this side is basically a behemoth and almost impossible to apply alone, I called my mom to help me out with applying the sticker, which she gladly did. Thanks, Mom! When applying such a long sticker, make sure it is properly aligned with the bodywork and that it won't bend. With this sticker it was a huge problem as the sticker didn't get cut out that well from the factory and looked like being cut by hand and not by a machine. Even though I wiped off the dust from the car, there were still some bubbles trapped below the sticker and I couldn't manage to get them out, which is really a shame. Because the sticker overlaps the doors, I need to take the scissor and cut the sticker, so that the doors can be opened. The edges of the sticker get pulled behind, and it would be the best if you take a hairdryer to make them stick better. From a further distance, it actually doesn't look too bad in my opinion. The God Bless My Soul sticker was a tricky one, because I had no idea where to put it in the first place. I just decided to put it on the bottom right part of the rear bumper, as I think the boot lid is too busy with other stuff. I think the slightly angled position makes the sticker a lot more visible and it makes more sense too. Last but not least are the little soul stickers. They are all printed on one sheet, so I need a scissor to cut them apart. I only need 2 and they are for the rear view mirrors. I take a glass cleaner, could be literally any, doesn't matter which one, and I clean the mirror. A few millimeters away from the bottom is going to be the spot, because that is the ideal spot for it, as it won't distract you too much from viewing it, and also it won't look too much out of place there. So, what's the verdict? I think the 2 smaller stickers are definitely great value for money. For the big one, I'm not so sure. Yes, it might be not that expensive, but I found the quality quite poor and I think the fit and finish could be much better. But from a further distance when looking on the car, it is actually not that bad. So, it is kind of worth it. What is your opinion of my car and how it looks like now with the new stickers? Write it down in the comment section. I'm curious of your inputs. Thank you Benny for being my sound engineer. I absolutely appreciate your support. If you want to become like him, a sound engineer, check out the first link in the description. It leads you to my Patreon page. Stay tuned and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye!